Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question which is less than 500 rating. So there is a chef in chapters. So the question is, this semester chef took X courses, each courses has Y unit and Z chapter in it. So you just have to check in the semester how many number of chapter that he would have to study. Okay, so you just have to check the how many number of chapter that he would have to study. Okay, so let's do this. X, Y, Z. This is the X is the course unit and chapter in semester. Okay, and then you just have to find total number of chapters we have to study. So you just have to do x into y into z. Okay, so this is the answer. I hope you understand the simplest code. So let's take an example here. 1 1 1 1 1 2 1 1 3 3 2 1. Okay, so you just have to do multiplication here. This is 1 2 and 6. You just have to do multiply and then return the answer. Okay, so I hope you understand. So let's do this. You just have to take test cases. While t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to do int x comma y comma z, and then cn x, cn y, cn z, and then you just have to do cout x into y into z. Okay, so I hope you understand. So let's do this. First you have to take int t and then cnt, while t minus minus is greater than 0, then you just have to take int x comma y comma z, and then cn x comma y comma z. Okay, and then you just have to do cout x into y into z. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, so I have to take int not. So let's again run this. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this is accepted. Thanks for watching.